Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a easy chicken sandwich recipe. So let's get into this video. I'm going to leave the ingredients in the description box. First, what we're going to do is get our chicken breasts. I am using whole chicken breasts and I'm going to slice them into pieces, thin pieces but not too thin, less than medium sized pieces. Next, I'm going to use my dough roller to flatten it, because I want the chicken to be juicy, but if the chicken breast is too big, it's not going to come out as the quality we want. So we're going to flatten this chicken breast. Okay? There we have it. Now I'm going to place all my chicken into a mixing bowl and I'm going to add in my garlic pepper, cayenne pepper, black pepper, paprika. This is salt and onion pepper. And we're going to mix it. So after you mix it, your chicken is going to look like this. And I added some buttermilk. I use almond milk and melted butter to make my buttermilk. But you could buy the buttermilk in the supermarket if you like. Okay guys, I sat this in the fridge for about 20 minutes and now that it's marinated, we're going to start cooking. So let's get to it. This chicken looks juicy and it looks good already, but let's get into the frying process. Now I have my all-purpose gluten-free flour. I'm going to add in some garlic pepper, some onion pepper, black pepper, and cayenne pepper to my flour to give it taste. And we're going to mix this up and we're going to taste the flour to make sure everything is right. So we're going to crack 2 eggs and add in some hot sauce and beat it. And we're going to give it a nice big mix. Now it's frying time. So we got our chicken, our flour, and our egg mix ready. First step, we're going to pick up a piece of chicken with a fork to prevent less mess, like so. And we're going to cover it up in flour, just like this. Cover it generously. Now place it into the egg mix. It's a little hard because I'm holding the camera with one hand. And we're going to add flour again. We're going to double flour this bad boy. Just like that. And place it on a plate and repeat. If I wasn't holding the camera, I most likely would have done this with my hands, but it's good enough. Now we got some oil in a pan and we're going to add in our chicken just like this. I'm using a pan instead of a skillet. And we're going to fry on both sides. All that smoke in my camera, I'm just trying to wave it away. Here we have our chicken. This looks nice and flaky and thick, just like the Popeyes chicken sandwich. This looks so good. So I added some butter on the top and the bottom of some buns and I placed it in the oven for about 10 minutes. And then I added some pickles. I used drill and I cut it into pieces. To place the chicken, add the bun, and there we go. Our beautiful chicken sandwich. Hope you like it. So I'm having my chicken sandwich with a side of kale salad. What would you have yours with?